All right, so we're going to take a look at adding loading screens to our React Native app. And I thought you should be able to do it from the React Native project, and I guess there are ways you can do it, but it's just a lot easier to go into iTunes and do it directly. So, excuse me, not iTunes, Xcode. So we're going to go in here and we're going to create a new icon set. And we're going to call it, splash icon, and then we're going to go to our artwork and we're just going to drag it in here so that it should add it like that. And I think that should be it. Let's try running the app and seeing if we get the actually that won't be it. I forgot to do something. 1 second. Sorry, right, so we actually have to add the images to the launch screen, so let's bring that up. And that's fine, iPhone 8's fine for initial view. And then what we're going to do is we're going to find the existing React Native elements on there. We're just going to delete them. And then we're going to drag out a image and, oh, give me 1 second, I got to answer the phone. Okay, sorry about that. So now you can just search for the image view down here and click and drag that here. And then you're just going to actually pick, sorry, my screen's so small, it's so hard to work. And then we're just going to, gosh, where's image? Select splash icon, and then kind of just make this fit the proportions of the actual icon itself, which should be square. There's got to be, sorry, I've got this shrunk down so small to there we go, like this 250, right, 250, and we can actually use auto sizing to keep this in the middle here. And then we're going to make the background color match this. Background is black color. And now we should be able to run this on our iPhone and see the actual background. All right, so I know you can't see my phone, so it did work, except for this was not positioned correctly, just because we need to add some constraints. Oh gosh, hold on a second, I gotta answer the phone again. Okay, sorry, and actually I was doing something and I didn't realize I still had a pause. So what we did was I left that in the middle, and then you hold Control and click and drag, and then I added two auto constraints, which are to the outside container, and so they were align X to super view, align Y to super view, so it kind of aligns in the middle there. And then just so you can see it, let me drag this into view here. Oops, wrong one. There we go. And so there you go, there's our loading screen. So obviously I just got this loading screen for free off of like common or open source graphics, just because we're using this for that. But that's how you add a loading screen. It's kind of annoying that you can't just do it easily right from the React Native project, but it's not too hard to do it from Xcode directly. So that's how you add a loading screen in iOS.